Whoa. Where'd that hit? From the hammer. You got to figure out a way to get that barrel there. Those hands got to come in tight to the body. You don't take the hands to the ball. There's where you get in trouble. Okay? You want the barrel to get to the ball. So if it's inside, what's the best way to get the barrel to the ball? Bring the hands into the body and rotate. Okay? All right, do this for me. I want you to hit some balls, back foot off the ground. You hit off of one leg. Not yet. When I throw, you want to rotate like this. You're going to rotate, and the back foot's going to come off the ground. You're going to hit off one leg. Okay? Go. Just keep doing it till you get your balance. Okay? Once you get your balance, you'll be all right. Good. It's the best one you hit on the back. Why?
Because
you didn't have any weight on your back foot. Now your hips are free to go. If there's weight on your back foot, then that's turning on the ground, your hips can't turn fast. Do it again. Now I want you to know this is a drill. You don't do this in a game. Now, I'm not saying that. Spread out. You just spread out some. Yeah? Yeah. Do the same thing. Keep doing it. When the ball gets there before you turn. One leg. One leg. Hip should be pointing. Your belly button should be pointing right here when you finish this one. Keep doing it. Get your balance. Best. Do it again. Get off your back side. Where are you going?
back.
Okay. Still got to maintain this, even if you're hitting off one leg. It's a balance drill. Now, you're doing this ahead of this. That's why you're hitting off balance. But your hips bring everything around. You don't have to do anything else. Okay? Come on. Head's moving too much. Head should stay still, even doing the drill. Belly button's facing here at contact instead of here. You're going to turn the hips. Alright, what are you doing here? See what I'm talking about? Let's go. Balance. See, when you do it right, the ball jumps off your back. But the thing that concerns me is you don't feel when you're doing it wrong. We've got to develop that feel somehow. When you do it wrong, you got to know immediately. So you can fix it in your mind and then get back there and hit it. Right now,